Blender is our community. Founded in 1992, Exun Clan is the technology club at Delhi Public School, Arkipuram in India.
We at Exun use Blender in a lot of our 3D projects, for school and club works, and for competitions, and it has been a part of our club from the early version 2.49b in 2009.
Working in Blender has been very delightful for all of us. Using Blender, we reaffirm our club's belief in using open source software, and we've never felt any limit to our creations.
We have the power to use our imagination to the highest degree because of the fantastic and encouraging community surrounding Blender, whether that be online tutorials and forums or through friends we've made throughout the country as part of our tech circuit, while participating in competitions or collaborating on projects.
A lot of our work is inspired by surroundings and daily happenings, from our school to the humble chicken tikka.
We even make our technology symposium trailers mostly with Blender. It gives us an opportunity to showcase our talent and visualize and express a vision for what our event is. What makes this a highlight though is the culture of having a lot of fun while collaborating for months on a single goal. One year, we made a model of our entire school campus in Blender. Another year, we reimagined the intro to Silicon Valley on a circuit board to present our event.
The amazingness of the fact that we can access this world of creation using any hardware freely and with incredible support all around is not lost on us, and we are eternally grateful.
Blender to us is not just a tool, but the vehicle to make our dreams a reality. Blender is a community that embodies our motto, "We Not I."